Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how to share your live location with a friend on Snapchat. Let's have a look. First, open Snapchat app. Make sure your Snapchat app up to date. Then tap chat icon. Now open the chat with the friend you want to share your live location with. Tap the friend's name at the top of the screen. Here under Snap Map you will see Share My Live Location, New. Tap Share My Live Location. You can now share your live location with your close friends. Remember, this is the feature for trusted friends and family. Use live location to coordinate meetups or help you stay safe on your way home. Tap Sounds Good. Now you have to choose a duration. Your friend will see your real-time location for the duration you choose. You can choose 15 minutes, 1 hour or 8 hours. Tap 15 minutes. From here you can choose keep only while using app or always allow. You need to turn on notifications to keep your location update. That's it. Live location shared. Sharing live location 14 minutes left. From here you can stop live location sharing or go to chats and you can check live location status. Also you can stop sharing by tap stop sharing. So these are the steps to share your live location with a friend on Snapchat. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.